In the last session, we have seen about creating an object. So how we have created the object, how the object creation is done. We can go with the setup, build, create, objects, new custom object. Name of the object, plural label. Label is with what name object is displayed. Plural label is what is the name of the tab. Name on the tab is plural label. With what name the object is displayed is a label. Actual name of the object is transaction. Now object label, tab label, then object name. In the object, we are going to have one field. What is that field? Name field. How that name field is going to be displayed? That is your record name label field. So in the record, in the table, one of the field is name field. How that name field is displayed? That is called record name label. Then we have data type. You will not use it. System will create it. Then we have transaction ID. Starting with sub. Now, optional features, you can enable them or disable them as per your requirement. You can enable them or disable them as per your requirement. This will specify whether the object is a lightning or enterprise. Deployment setting, is it visible to everyone or only admin can see it? Deployed, everyone can access based on the security model. In development, now only admin can access it. Allow such, it allows you to search the data of this object from the global. Object creation option, these two options can be enabled or disabled at the time of creating an object. Later on, if you want to enable them, you cannot enable from object. There is other option. You cannot enable them from object. You can enable them from different procedure. From object, you cannot enable. Add nodes and attachments. Launch a custom tab wizard. The moment I say launch custom tab wizard, it will take you to creation of tab. If you want to access the object, the only way is a tab. Using the declarative development, if you want to access the object, enter the data, modify the data, the only option what we have is creation of tab. Unless you create a tab, we will not be able to access the object. On one object, only one tab can be created. One object, only one tab. So let me access the information.